Hi, my name is Joanne Ryshpan-Harris, and my company's name is Ryshpan.com. We're a full marketing agency and advertising agency. Today, I'm going to start a little mini-series that I'd like to call Tips and Tricks of Marketing for Restaurants. Restaurants is one of our niche industries, and I want to share some of my thoughts about that. I know a lot of you are having problems with your restaurants right now, especially trying to survive after COVID-19, and I just want to give you a few little things. Why am I talking about that? I love eating. Anybody who knows me knows that I love eating, and I want to share with you just my knowledge about being a customer, my knowledge about business, and how you can improve your business during these particular times. So, how do you get your word out? Now, it's difficult. You don't have a lot of customers coming in. Most of your business is takeout. And I don't want to take up a lot of your time, so I'm going to make this fast, okay? If nobody knows you're there, then how are you supposed to gain your customer base? Okay, sure, you got your locals, your guys who are your regulars, but what happens when they're not there? How do you get your word out? You get your word out by tying into certain things, and we'll talk about that later. This is a little mini series for you of 3 separate shows that I'm going to do, and I'm also going to give you a little workbook so you can follow along. Don't rely on people walking by these days, because people walking by, they're not really crazy about coming in, especially after COVID-19. You need to rely more on how you can get your word out using social media, how that ties into your business, and how you can make it your thing, okay? And you need to offer coupons, and you need to offer incentives for your customers to come back to you. And this is, the kind of thing that you need to do, and you need to do it now. So if I walk into your restaurant and I don't see that you have a Facebook logo on the window or on the table, on your table tent or something like that, I don't know where to find you. And then give your customers incentive. Give them 10% off. That's what they really want, is something off if they do a post for you, share something about your restaurant. These are the things that are going to make you more popular to not only your locals, but to your people who've never come to your restaurant before. I'm going to be sharing more details about this in my next minute-long tips and whatnot to you. And if you're ready to talk to me now, all you have to do is leave us a private message on any of our Facebook page, Instagram, or just go to Ryshpan.com, and I will make sure that you get your 1 free hour consultation on how to make your business better. And hey, we're in Las Vegas, and if you're somewhere else in the United States, we can help you do that too. So take care, and I hope you come to the next session. Thank you.